Hey guys, my name is KB and you're watching KB'Tech, and in this video I'm gonna unbox the boAt Airdopes 441, and I'm quite excited because it's my first truly wireless earbuds. And as you can see, there are a few specifications mentioned over the box, so let's just quickly see those specifications. And as you can see that it comes with Bluetooth 5.0 technology. It also comes with IPX6 water and sweat resistance. And other than that, it comes with a massive 500 milliamp hour carry case which can provide you up to 4 times charge, and it comes with Insta Wake N Pair technology for quick connectivity, and here is the boAt branding. And other than that, it comes with 6mm dynamic driver to deliver pure audio bliss, and it also comes with a secure fit design. And the best part is it also comes with advanced capacitive touch control with one touch voice assistant. So without wasting any more time, let's just quickly unwrap the box. So the first thing inside the box is our carry case, and let me take it out of the box and bring it more closer to the camera so that you can have a better view. And as you can see that it comes with the boAt branding over it, and let me just open it, and here is our Airdopes. Let me just keep it aside for a while and see what else we get inside the box. So inside the box we have one warranty card, and we have a paper menu with number of cricketers over it. Let me just keep it aside. And other than that, we have a paper case, and I guess it contains the charging cable and ear tips. Let me just take it out, and as you can see that these are the number of ear tips with different size, and here is our charging cable, and it's a Type-C charging cable. That's quite impressive. And other than that, we have a manual step guide with a number of instructions like touch instructions and battery indications. Nothing else inside this box. So let me keep all this stuff aside and let's just focus on our Airdopes. So in terms of design, on the front end side we have a charging indicator with 4 different lights to highlight the battery level, and on the bottom we have some basic information like the model number, earbuds battery capacity, charging box battery capacity, and on the back side we have our Type-C charging port, and it doesn't support fast charging although, but I guess the size of the carry case is small so it won't take much time. And on the top we have our boAt branding, and overall the quality of the case is good, and it comes with a smooth matte finish, so overall I liked it. So let's just open it and see the design from inside as well. So let me just take these buds out of the carry case, and as you can see that these are the magnetic charging pins. So let me close the carry case and let's just talk about the design and build quality of the earbuds. And as you can see that there are 3 charging pins here, and it also comes with a rubber design to provide extra grip, and overall it seems nice. And it also comes with the light indication, so every time I touch, red light blinks, as you can see this. And it also comes with the different lights, like you can see that now it's showing me blue and green light, which means I need to pair them to use it. So I have successfully paired these earbuds with my phone. This is the right earbud and this is the left earbud. Let me just quickly open the music player and let's see how well the touch control works for these earbuds. And I guess I need to do single tap to play or pause a track like this. And as you can see, there is a slight delay, but the delay is negligible, I would say. And if I need to go to the next track, I guess I need to do double tap on it like this, and it's working fine. And if I need to go to the previous track, I need to double tap on the left earbud, and if I need to go to the next track, I need to double tap on the right earbud. So overall the touch control seems nice to me, and it also has support for voice assistant. I guess I need to press a bit longer, and as you can see that here is our Google Assistant on for us. I also tried calling on these earbuds, and it has a nice indicator for calls, Let me just show you. So whenever you receive a call, you can see these indications, and I can just pick up the call by just doing a single tap. And to cut the call as well, I need to do just single tap. If I talk about the sound quality of these earbuds, I won't say that you will get the best sound experience on these earbuds, but honestly, when I saw the specifications of these earbuds, that it comes with 6mm dynamic drivers, I was pretty much sure that these earbuds won't be able to deliver the bass which I expect from an earbud. But when I tried these earbuds, I was quite shocked, because boAt has really managed to deliver the sound in a balanced manner. So I was able to experience the bass, the clarity of the sound. Also, I tried these earbuds for call purpose, and my experience was overall good. Although these earbud doesn't comes with active noise cancellation, but I'm pretty much sure that if you use them in a quiet environment, they won't disappoint you. Lastly, if I talk about the price of these Airdopes, these are available on Amazon for Rs.2500. Although I got these for Rs.2000 during the Prime Day sale. Also, if you want a large battery backup, then you can consider a high-end version of these Airdopes, that is the Airdopes 441 Pro, which comes with an extremely massive carry case, that is of 2600 mAh, which can provide you up to 150 hours of battery backup. And at last, I would say that if you want to have a truly wireless experience and your budget is around 2500 rupees, then you can definitely consider boAt Airdopes for your daily purpose. I am pretty much sure that you won't feel disappointed. And that's it from my side, guys. If you like this video, do hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.